Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Orlando demo. On this domain I have installed the theme and the theme included plugins. Next I will need to activate the theme. Here I will add my license code. I will press check license and my theme is now activated. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for the demo SVG icons to be imported along with the demo content, you will need to install the SVG support plugin. I will go to plugins. I will click add new. I will look for the SVG support plugin. This is the plugin that I need to install. I will activate the plugin and set it to apply only from admin. I will tick this option and save changes. Next, I will import the demo content. I will go to WpResidence options, import demo. Here you will find all available demos. I will look for the Orlando demo. This is the one. I will click import demo, continue and import, and I will wait for the import process to be finished. The process might take a few minutes. The import was successfully. I will now click visit site. I am now on the home page. The content was imported, and next I will show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. It is important to mention that this demo is advertised as being a demo created with listings from the MLS Import plugin. You will see those listings only in the official demo. These are real listings and cannot be included in the demo import from copyright reasons. Also, the MLS Import plugin will not be included among the theme included plugins. The demo import will include fictive listings that you will be able to delete and replace with your own listings. Now I will start showing the steps that you need to take after the demo import. First, I will show theme options. You will need to go to WpResidence options. Here you will need to replace demo settings with your own. You will need to set your country. In logos and favicon you will be able to replace demo logo with your own. In map section you will need to decide on the map system that you want to use. You can keep OpenStreet or select Google Maps, and if Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the theme. In membership you will be able to set the type of submission, if you want paid submission or not. Also you will be able to set theme payments. You can use PayPal or Stripe or enable WooCommerce. In search section you will be able to set the theme advanced search. Here you will be able to select the search type and make other settings. Next, you will need to set permalinks correctly. You will need to go to settings, permalinks, and select post name, save changes. Next, I will go back to the home page. Here you will need to manually adjust some elements for them to show exactly as the official demo. In this section we use property categories, and since on import the IDs will be different, the images for each category will need to be manually uploaded. Next I will show how to do that. First I will show the widget that was used to create this section. Since the home page was created with Elementor, I will click edit with Elementor. I will scroll down to the categories section. This is the one. We used the WpResidence Grids widget. It was set to show categories from area. So next we will need to go to admin, and under properties you will find all property categories. Categories type city, area, county, state, features and amenities. I will open areas or neighborhood. And now I will manually upload images for the categories used in the home page. The first step is to edit the category. Click upload image. You can upload an image from media or from your device. I will upload one from my device. I will select the image, press insert into post and update. I have edited the downtown category. I will go on home page. Here I have the downtown category. On refresh, the image that I uploaded will show. I will go back to categories. I will show another example on how to upload images. I will click edit, press upload image, select an image, insert into post and update. Since the steps are the same, I will upload the rest of the images of the record and after show the results. I added remaining images. Now the section shows correctly. The same will apply for this section as well. I will go back to the Elementor editor. I will scroll down to the other section. Here we used the same widget, but we set it to display category. Here the images will also need to be manually uploaded. I will go back to the home page and the rest of the elements are complete. These are the steps that you need to take after the demo import. Now I will go back to the Elementor editor and show some quick guidelines on how to edit each element on the home page. In the Elementor editor, I have Navigator enabled to have better access to each page section. You can enable it from here. I will start with the first section, which is the hero header one. This section was created with 2 columns. In the first column, in style section, you will be able to change the demo image with your own. You can delete the demo one and upload a new image. In the next column, you will have the text that was added with heading and text editor. You will be able to edit this text, and we also added a search form created with the search form builder. Here you will have the option to change the tabs used, to change the fields and make other settings. Going to the next section, we have built this one with a single column. Here you will find more inner section. For the first one, you will be able to change the text from the heading widgets that we used. In the next section, you will be able to edit the text. Going further, you will have a properties list created with the WpResidence items list widget. You will be able to change settings and filter properties. Going further to the next section, here we created the section with the WpResidence featured property widget. You will be able to change the demo ID and add the ID of the property that you want to display here. I will go to admin and show where you can find the property ID. You will need to go to properties, and this is the ID that you can use in the widget. You will just need to copy from here and paste it in the widget. Going further to the next section, here we use the WpResidence Grids widget, which I already described. Next, you'll have the testimonial section. Here we used the WpResidence testimonial widget. You'll have the option to change image and client details. You will need to do this for each element added in this section. Going to the next section, here we have created a section with SVG icons. Using the icon box widgets from Elementor and text, you will be able to delete the SVG icons that we used and upload your own. Also, you will have the option to replace the icons with Font Awesome icons. You can select a new Font Awesome icon from this list. You will need to do this for each element added in this section. Going further, you will have the categories section where we use the WpResidence Grids widget that I already described. In the next section, you will have an image with text. The image was set as background image for the column. You will find it in style section. Here you will be able to replace demo image with your own. Also, in the next column, you will be able to edit the text. Going further, you will have the agents section. Here we used the WpResidence list agents widget. You will be able to filter agents and make other settings. Next, you will have the video section. For this section, we added a background image that you can edit in style section. Here you will be able to replace the demo image with your own. Next, we added a column where you will be able to edit the text, and next you will have the WpResidence video player widget. You will be able to change video location and add the video that you want to play. Going further, you will have the blog section where we added the WpResidence blog post list. You will be able to filter posts by category and make other settings. And for the last section on the page, you will have the contact. We have created this section with 2 columns. In the first one, you will have this image that can be replaced in the style section of the column here, and in the second column we added a contact form created with the contact form builder. Here you will be able to change the contact form fields and make other settings. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.